So I don't want to pay for a Y pipe to get the exhaust fixed, so I went browsing on Marketplace, and of all things, I got lucky again. Got Cliff with me. He mad because I don't give him Chick-fil-A. I found a dude that actually has a bunch of Tahoe parts and Suburban parts, and he has a pipe that I need, and I'm gonna go check him out. He says they're $30 for the part, whatever. So I'm gonna go put some gas in the Mustang. Again, the Mustang is the parts car and the savior. I would drive the Tahoe, but it's so loud and I gotta worry about it dying because it's just so rich. So I'm gonna go get that part, bring it back, and then hopefully get the exhaust fixed tomorrow. Whew, $1.59. Not bad, man. Dirty. Cliff. So I won't be too far away. I got about a 20-minute drive, and then I'll go ahead and give me that pot. It should be able to fit back here in the trunk while I fold everything down. But yep, almost there. Oh man, we are going through a rocky path, and the things I take this Mustang through. What's up, Cliff? You good? You're tripping. And there it is. Tahoe is up on the rack over there. Ah, damn, you put it up on a forklift. Damn. Whew. All right, says he got my part, so let's go see. A little bit too.
Oh, yeah. But then that one there, so I'm fixing to put a set of 20s on it. Go back and do it.
Whew.
I just got the wheel first.
So is this a 1271?
8.
It's an 871. Okay, they're a lot bigger in person when you look at it. Man, that's dope. That's cool. This is.
That one there, 1930 Model 8. It's a little 383. Just got a little dark small block in it.
Man, this is random. Come over and get some parts from my Tahoe and end up being around some of the stuff that I love. This is freaking dope. See, this is what I want. Like, street cars are cool. Like, if I end up putting a set of twins on my Mustang, it'd be cool, make some power. But some raw shit like this, oh, I can't get away from this.
Yeah.
So you guys test these at Little River, or
No, they're just pro street cars.
Pro street? Oh, okay.
He runs the big cars, you know, with the deal. But yeah.
Okay, so he runs them at full NHRA, all that big stuff. What's the name of the team?
Terry Haddock Racing.
Terry Haddock. I'll look it
Yeah,
up.
you Google it, it'll come up on it. Oh,
God, fat rear-ended motherfucker. This is super clean.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's got halon system in it, nitrous on it.
Is it an air shifter too?
No, it's got a regular. It's a reverse valve body, but
Okay.
no, that's just for the fire system there, and then the nitrous over there. It's only has like a 50 shot in it.
Okay.
A little bit, but it's blown anyway, so it doesn't need it. But it's got it.
And what kind of fuel does this one run off
It
of?
runs on pump gas, 93.
How does that on pump? I assume they do like okay, but do they run a little bit better if you were to put like E85?
Oh, we put good fuel in it, and then we could turn it up, put some timing in it.
Mm-hmm.
Like right now, it ain't got probably 28 degrees in it.
On pump, I mean, yeah, it's on
just
pump. That's all
where
you're really gonna get.
It won't hurt nothing, yeah. But you have to run the nitrous on it, and you'd have to put some good fuel in it.
Mm-hmm. Man,
Yep. Cool.
you like that? That was cool. Get to see some two little blown street cars set up to do like, yeah, fuck it, I don't give a shit. See, and that's a setup that I would like. You're in the living room, you're chilling. The room next to you is your garage fully of race cars. That right there is a setup. You know, they're kind of out here in the boonies and they don't really care. The dude's cool as hell. We got another connection for some good transmission shops or some good little power adder shops or whatever I got need, but that was cool. I'm kind of glad I made this last minute decision to come over here and get these parts. So I'm gonna head back home and get these parts on. And I will see you guys tomorrow. All right. We made it. I got my pipe. I'm back at Mike's Mufflers out here in Temple, Texas. The hell are you doing over there? Oh, they got tacos. I need to go get me some tacos while I do this. But I got the pipe. It even comes with the O2 sensor. Let me roll my window up. There. Oh shit! Wait, I can't get out. Please hold. There we go. I gotta. There we go. So let me go talk to these people inside. There go my makeshift Bluetooth stereo for right now. All right, let's go do this. Don't mind the squeak, but I gotta get the AC compressor fixed. Mike's Muffler Center. They went ahead and got it right. Look at that. You can even hear the fuel pump. And look at that. Nice. Hell yeah. Now I can freaking drive my car around. I'll show you what the weld job looks like underneath. I mean, they only charged me 50 bucks. So, hell yeah. Now, time to go take some video pictures. Or videos and pictures. There it is all together. And there it is. All together, plugged in. And there it is. Focus, 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 focus. That's where they welded it. This one was already pre-welded, that's why it broke. So, there we go. Nice and simple. Focus. Come into focus. Now it's stuck zoomed in. Now I won't go over there. There it goes. All together. Nice and neat. New pipe. New weld. It's actually welded up pretty nice. It's crooked because this pipe already got welded before. But they did a good job. They got it taken care of. In and out. Quiet. We're chilling. It runs, now that it's running right and I'm driving it, you know, I do need to do a tune-up. Who knows how old these spark plugs are. But I'm here at Chick-fil-A. Cliff out here looking mad sus. Yo, you looking mad sus, dog. We're gonna see if some of these Chick-fil-A, because some of these Chick-fil-A people actually know me and follow me on the tubes, you know. We'll see if they respect the hoe. Yeah. All right. Cliff got recognized. The hoe didn't get recognized. You heard that, Cliff? Yeah, he gets more attention than everybody out here, I guess. But I'm gonna give me some sweet tea, give that home to mama, and then I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.